Think you know everything about dinosaurs? Think again. Forget everything you thought you knew about these prehistoric giants. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible facts that will not only blow your mind but completely change how you see the era of the dinosaurs. From feathered T-Rexes to the living dinosaurs you see every single day, get ready to be amazed. Let's start with a perspective that will warp your mind. Did you know that more time passed between the Stegosaurus and the Tyrannosaurus rex? About 80 million years than between the T-Rex and us? That's right. You and I are only 66 million years away from the king of dinosaurs. Time is a strange thing. What if I told you, picture this, the fearsome T-Rex with feathers? Yes, many dinosaurs, including the ancestors of the T-Rex, were likely covered in feathers. They weren't just giant lizards. Some look more like terrifying, oversized birds. It's a far cry from the classic image we've all seen. What if I told you dinosaurs aren't actually extinct? Technically, birds are avian dinosaurs. So, every time you see a chicken, a sparrow, or a pigeon, you're looking at a living dinosaur. It's an incredible thought, isn't it? Let's go from the big to the small, specifically intelligence. The Stegosaurus was the size of a bus, but its brain was only about the size of a walnut. It's a good reminder that size isn't everything when it comes to brain power. If you're scared of modern-day fleas, imagine the ones from millions of years ago. Prehistoric fleas that lived on dinosaurs were 10 times larger than modern fleas and had mouths strong enough to pierce thick dinosaur hide. A total nightmare. No, not all dinosaurs were slow and heavy. The Struthiomimus could likely reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it faster than a modern racehorse. Imagine trying to outrun that. Let's talk about the biggest. The Dinosaurus was so massive, about 100 feet long, that its heart was likely the size of a small car. It's a true marvel of nature, an incredible pump to keep blood moving through such a gigantic body. Thanks to scientific breakthroughs, we can now determine the actual colors of some dinosaurs. For example, we know the Sinosauropteryx had orange and white striped tails. And despite their size, most dinosaurs didn't live for centuries. A T-Rex, for instance, likely only lived between 28 and 30 years. An intense but short life. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed uncovering the mysteries of dinosaurs and want to discover more incredible facts about science, history, or even secrets to grow on your own YouTube channel, then you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you never miss one of our fascinating explorations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.